Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. I'm Nagesh. You know how to solve this Rubik's Cube? Let me show you. This is just a random shuffle. Okay, so the cube is shuffled now. So let me solve this. And it's done. You want to know how to solve this? So yeah, I'll be uploading videos on my new channel and it will be on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. It's basically a tutorial where you can learn. If you already know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, then I'll be uploading videos on how to solve the Rubik's Cube using advanced method, the CFOC method, the cross, first two layers, uh, orientation and the permutation. And yes, I'll be uploading videos on how to solve the classic cubes and also the different shape mods like the megaminx, pyramids and all that. Yeah, if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel, do like and also click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you guys for watching the video. This is Versatile Cubing signing off.